Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you're gonna see how to make highlights on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to the Instagram application. Once you are there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account, and then head over to your profile, and then tap on the three lights icon on the top right. Tap on archive. Go to your stories archive and select any story you want to make a highlight with. So I'm selecting this one. Click on highlight on the bottom right and give your highlight a name, and then tap on add. And as you can see, the highlight is added. If I go back, as you can see, this is my new highlight. So yeah, this is how you can just make highlights on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next video.